Hello, welcome back to Slime Rancher. I still not have watched season, or not season. I still haven't watched my video 5 on this series, or episode 5, whatever. I guess I can. It works. How much was that place again? $7.95. Okay. Okay, so I'm a while away, but do you guys need to be fed? You're happy, you're happy, you're happy, you're happy. Okay. But you guys are hungry. Okay. Grow! Grow for my rock slime. I think rock slimes are my favorite. I don't know why, but I think they are. Oh, 8 carrots. Oh, hi. Jeez. I'll get some pogo fruit. Those aren't ready. There we go. Okay. These hens I'm gonna go, like, do the tabby slime for. So, let's just do that. Oh, I only have... Ow. Ow! Oh, no, not you. Oh, not you. I only want your poop. God, I really am just a poop manager. 95, okay. So I should be on the lookout for vegetables. Vegetables. And hens. As long as and as well poops. Carrots. Ow! Well. Oh, hey, there are some up there. Okay. Every cent counts. Yep. Come on. Well. That one's mine. Oh, there we go. Now I think he fell. Yeah, there's no one up there. Okay. Oh, well. You're a chick. Give me you. Give me you, because I think I'm a long way away from tabby slime. Yeah, you're not even shaking. Okay. Good. I need to return home. Ah, it's 4:45. Alright. That's good to know. So I shall make my journey home. Man, that jetpack just kills my energy. Run! Ow. Ow. Oh, I'm 0. Okay. Nope, I'm 20. Okay. I have 20 carrots. That explains why I couldn't carry anymore. Or why it wasn't sucking up as easy. Oh, I got pogo fruit. Oh, you're giving me a plort. What else? Oh, wow, okay. Huh, so that gives me 19. Okay. I think I could afford more pinks. Ow. 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 Okay, ow. Sweetness. What is that? Achievements. Fortune. No. Earn 100. Oh! Okay. Alright. I'm probably not gonna go achievement hunting for this one. Well, sweetness. I can buy you. How much is it for tank booster? 350. Not that far off. Grand. Come here, skinny all of you. Come here. Y'all are getting sucked. Yeah, I gotta buy it. I can afford. Ow! More pinks. I can... Oh, now you're ready. Oh, grand. Thanks. Lovely. Or maybe I should get the auto feeder. Yeah, let me get the auto feeder. Oh, I can't. Well. Well. Let me get some pinks. Pinks, come here. I think 5 pinks. Yeah. I don't want 8 though. Let's get 6. So, oh yeah, that would make 10. Okay. did that perfectly. Let me deposit these. Or 70. Get that. There we go. Woo! Hi. I know you love me. And I love you. Ow! Your love's hard. Ow! I mean to do that. Ooh! Someone pooped again. Ow. I get the. Oh, I didn't get the floor. Fucking damn it. There we go. Tabbies, right. Okay. I have 339. There's one more. No, I don't want the chicken. The chickadoo. I want the hen. So I can feed you. Actually, no. You shall starve for a little bit. You shall starve. Or not starve, but you can... Okay. Now, I shall... Wait, once... Yeah, okay. I try to, like... I want multiple roostros, and I try to have a hen per roostro. Oh yeah, that's right, I have a new area, so I can get my phosphorus slimes. Oh. No! I don't think the tabby Gordo is gonna need much, but... Ah, fucking great, there's one in there. Where is he? Where's that tar? Alright. Let's get rid of you. Oh, you need more, alright. What was this? Oh, it was a cube berry. That's right. Oh wait, if I heard it here, then it's probably in there. Yep. Is that all of them? This is a fun little game. I love it. This can pretty much sum up how farm life is. excuse me. Because... yeah, it can be stressful sometimes. Yeah, it can be... but it can also be really relaxing at sometimes. Oh, we have one more hen. I'll save it for now. Give me this, so I can have that. Let me do in here. Now I can get the auto feeder for you guys. Auto feeder. Purchase. Now I just gotta get some carrots. First, was there something out this way? There might? Yes, there is! Completely forgot about that. Nope. That's right. Hello. Oh, radiation slimes come out at night? Did not know that. I mean, I guess that made sense. Oh. Now I gotta avoid radiation. He's coming straight for me. Oh. Oh. I just can't get it to 100, I guess. Okay, whatever. Yonk. Salutations, friends. I'm probably not gonna need this much stony hens. The roostro I'm keeping for my personal self. But we shall feed the hens to... what? That's... okay. It's weird that there's 2 teleporters in here when there's typically only one. Need to deposit some plorts. So now there are 4 hens. Wait, okay, hold up. I just need to suck up everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, no, 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 don't want to do that. I also really like the phosphorus slimes. I'll let them have it. I think I got enough. I'll feed the hen first, and then the stony hens, but ugh. Excuse me, sniffly snufflies. But yeah, but pretty much just got a blank thing. There we go. What? Did you just steal? Oh. Ah! No! Oh, purple fruit. I can do without them. How many tabbies are there? 9? There was probably 10. Can I go in here? Nope. Can I go in here? Nope. What is this area? The Jeezums! Where am I? I'm nowhere. That's where I am. I'm nowhere. Wait a minute, I thought... Didn't the tabby slime give me a slime key? Yeah, wait, I remember grabbing a slime key from each Gordo, or from a Gordo, and I think it was the tabby. It gave me a slime key, so I unlocked that area first time around. What? How long has this shenanigans been happening? You're safe now. Well... Oh, out of stamina. Alright, so I think I'm gonna call this episode here. You know what, the hens shall go with. I'll just put the ornaments with what the ornament is. I think that would be cute. There we go. That's better. What I like more. There you go. Oh, you all know what that is, though, don't you? Okay. I'll try to find some carrots. Nope. I'll feed the tabbies. I'll feed my tabbies. Jeezums. You get one more. Yeah, fun. Alright, so I'm gonna end it here. This ain't ready, so I remember using this one. I just don't remember what it was, and I know I had a phosphor pen in there, and also a garden. I think I used the Q berries. I think the Q berries were my next garden. But yeah. Anyway, I'm ending it here. I'm gonna go watch the 5th video I had. Well, okay. The star mail can wait. The star mail can wait. But yeah. And from Bob. Bob can wait. Oh, I know why Bob. Oh, let's see what Bob wants to trade. Oh my god, you're just a bunch of slimes together. Oh! This might be doable. I think I might be able to do that. Ooh. Oh, and I jumped. Wow, I jumped pretty high. Yeah, I think I'm totally gonna do this. Anyway, yeah. So, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, please leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell for notifications so you can know when more Slime Rancher comes out. Oh, I fed the tabby, so I need to cross that off my list. That's right. Along with Slime Rancher, I have played what else have I played? Sorry, brain. Trying to multitask. Omari, Oxygen not included. I did the human bench chest. I've played League of Legends, and I've made a bunch of tier lists. So yeah, and those are 5 things that you could actually, I'm gonna escape this so my energy can come back up when I return. So yeah, but like with that, with those 5 things that I've given you, I've done many more, but I'm just giving those to like set you off. Yeah, but with those 5 things, and with that, I will see you guys in the next issue. See ya!